Welcome back, guys, and good evening to all of you. So, how you are doing? I am doing great in the markets. So, as you talked yesterday, I am expecting dollar to move upward from this demand zone. And yeah, as you can see, dollar is going up from this demand zone. So, my next target for dollar would be this on this liquidity. So I would expect dollar to go for this liquidity and take this liquidity and give us the reversal from here. This is just an assumption. Anything could happen. But yeah, currently dollar is doing good. And let's move to our second pair, Euro USD. So as you can see in Euro USD, I took this trade uh, in the uh, in the um, mm, in the London Open. So as I told you yesterday, I'm expecting your USD to go down or downside from this area. After taking this liquidity on a daily, I was expecting your USD to move downside from here. So yeah, as I told you, your USD currently going downside. But I didn't took this trade on 4 hour. I took this trade on 1 hourly. As you can see, on 1 hourly, market was very sideways. But after taking this liquidity and gave us the fractal break from here, I took this trade. And it is currently running in profit. As you can see, it is a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade on a funded account. And next pair is GBP USD. For GBP USD, I'm expecting more downside from here. So if GBP USD have to go downward, then yeah, it have to GBP USD have to hold this supply zone. So yeah, I'm expecting downside on GBP USD from this supply zone. We could see somewhat of this price action for GBP USD. If we see liquidity on 1 hour, there is somewhat of liquidity on 1 hour, as you can see, like this one or this one. I would wait. I would personally wait GBP USD retrace still this liquidity. Then I will only gonna open my trade. Like this would be like this. Yeah, this would be the trade idea for GBP USD, and target would be this liquidity. As you can see, this is my trade idea for GBP USD. And let's move to the NZD So NZD as you can see, it is very sideways. So I'm expecting for NZD to take this liquidity and tap in this demand zone, then give us the move. This is my idea for NZD because it is very bullish later on. So yeah, this that is my idea on NZD, and next pair is ODUSD. So ODUSD is very bullish, as you can see. It is not coming in our area, not retracting towards the premium favor areas, and not taking this liquidity. So I'm waiting for this trade also because this trade is very looking very good. As ODUSD is very strong compared to USD. So yeah, I will look for this trade also. And big update, guys. I closed this fucking trade on the break even. Yeah, this trade was very good, but yesterday night I thought this demand zone is not holding, so I would probably so I closed this trade at break even without taking any losses. But after it, when I woke up in morning, this trade was already at my TP, and it is more than 60%. It gave us more than 60% of profit, and I think this trade will go till our TP. Yeah, that was a learning. But what should I do? I was very scared. I should not scare, but from second time I will follow certain forget ideology. So if I took any trade, then I will. There will be only two scenarios. Either I took SL or either I took TP. There will be no third scenario like break even trades. So yeah, I would like to. So I will follow that also from the next trade, as you can see. And Euro USD, as we talk about, GBP AUD. GBP AUD was also very nice trade, as I talking about from last few days. This trade was also a very good A plus setup, but as you can see, my chart is not loading. So yeah, as you can see on GA, that I was expecting downside from this level, but but this level broke out and give us retracement. But I was not not online at this time because it was in early morning, like 5 p.m. aroundwards. So yeah, this trade was also a very good setup and it is going great. But I didn't take this trade. Let me know, guys, if you take this trade or not, because I personally didn't catch this trade, this fall. And last of all, we have gold. I am expecting some sort of bearishness on gold on 4 hour time frame till this liquidity, because gold was very bullish like from last few days, and it gave us a very extensive move towards the upside. So I think gold will give us some correction till this liquidity, then after we can look for some sort of long from this area. Gold tap in this supply, and after taking this liquidity on 4 early, I am expecting gold to move downward from this area after breaking this structure. After breaking this structure and give and after breaking this structure and tap in this structure supply, then I would expect some sort of bearishness in gold. So yeah, guys, that was from my side, and let me know how we are doing and we are doing and what trade ideas you have and which pair you are looking. And I will also gonna do market, and I will also gonna I'm also gonna do trade background trade breakdown of Euro CHF. Yeah, Euro CHF. I also and in Euro CHF this trade is going very good. Like you can see here, this trade as we are discussing from last few days, Euro CHF was very bullish. So I will also gonna do a trade breakdown of Euro CHF after we took this TP on weekend. So yeah, guys, this was from my side. See you, see you tomorrow. Have a great trading day. Thank you, guys.